ये निकला माता का रूप अभी त्रिशूल लगेगा तुम्हें देख राइट मैन कैन से नोबडी नथिंग हटा दी नहीं नेक्स्ट लाइक द फाइनल व्हाट हमारी जिंदगी भी हो जाती है कि निकाल यहाँ से सॉरी की क्यों लाते हैं उसको and after 20 minutes he goes oh I'm again now you heard it the first time what is it
right में straight मैम look here straight this side मैम वीडियो के लिए इधर
Hi, hello. Can you tell us about your thoughts on this festival?
Well, last time I missed Khirtia, the first season, the first year of it, and I really regretted it because I was not here. But I'm glad that I can attend this time, and I'm really looking forward to it. I think it's not only just a theatre festival; it's more like a carnival of different forms of arts. Which it's not only entertaining, but it's lovely to just watch how talented people are here. There's so many plays, there are poetry recitations, there are comedians, there are stand-up comedians, there's I think a lot of improv acts, there are so many musical performances. So I think it's a great effort that Mukesh has and the entire team has put together, and I'm so glad that we have something like this happening in Mumbai every year. It should continue.
Ma'am, how important for the newcomer to get such kind of platform to showcase their talent?
I think it's lovely because there are so many people who come and watch you here. Also, I think as an experience, I feel the more you keep doing, the more you face audience. I think the better you sort of get. I didn't get a chance to do theatre. I think I never took that route, or I never realized that I could do it. But I felt that my audition dete bhi I felt that I was getting better. So I think it's a great platform because you can showcase your talent, you can show what you have. It's such a great platform. There's normal Janta watching you. There are also a lot of directors and all who come and watch this festival. So it's an amazing opportunity. And there's Mukesh, who's here, who's making all this happen. So you never know, you might get cast.
Day before yesterday, you have noted that dubbing is going off Raftaar. So
Yes,
would you like
yes,
to say
yes.
anything about it? Dubbing is over.
No. Dubbing is still going on, and of course, dubbing is a very important aspect of filmmaking for an actor. I feel, I used to find it very difficult to sort of do the entire scene in such a small room where you don't have anyone to interact with, and you're watching yourself and you're emoting those same emotions. Sometimes it just doesn't happen in that kind of an atmosphere. But I think now I'm kind of getting a hang of it, and I'm sort of really enjoying it. I like the way you can change a few things. I like the way you can better your performance. I like the way you can play with your own self on the screen, and you can watch the film. So
Ma'am, other than Raftaar, any upcoming project you like to share?
Bareilly Ki Barfi is there. So that also, most of the talkies I think we're done with. We're left with about 2-3 songs. Yeah, Ayushmann and Rajkumar Rao. And that's directed by Ashwini Iyer, who's amazing. And I've had a lot of fun on that film. It's completely opposite to what Rabta is in a way. And it's a small town sort of a girl. The character's really interesting. The people that I've worked with on that film are all very interesting and really great actors. And that's releasing in July. So it's going to be, thankfully, a very less gap between the releases.
So couples in the house.
Straight.
Very cool.